what would be the best way or method of appointment of judges and the Supreme Court in India. ये देखो 2015 के बाद जब से वो फोर्थ केस आया है, this has become the real focus. Every year, almost every year you are getting a question. तो इसलिए मैं इस पे ज़्यादा टाइम लगाया, ठीक है. And your views does not mean that we start writing whatever we feel like. Whatever has been argued and finally upheld in the, you may, if the suggestions are asked, then you may give suggestions only with some reasons. ये नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसा, ये नहीं. If you feel yes, it should happen like this, then see, you can, in this question you can also raise a criticism. The judges appointing judges, this is the main criticism, right? Tussle between executive and judiciary. That we, उसपे आपको case laws भी देने, बड़ा question.
So in introduction, so we have to start by mentioning the basic collegial system. This is the real system which is adopted today.
What should be the best way or method for appointment of judges in High Court and Supreme Court? Start with this. Appointments कैसे हो रही है? How? अभी. Then how this method has been evolved. Then different views.
So you have a criticism.
Pardon?
Can you get criticism at this stage?
Here it will come, ना? Different views में आ जाएगा criticism. यहाँ आपने बता दिया कैसे होती है. Then what are the methods, like from first judge, second, third, fourth, finally NJAC, finally this. Then different views on that. And that is primarily where the criticism will come. Then conclusion में आपने लिखना है कि no definite system can be called as the best. However, the present system, which includes collegium, consultation, and involvement of executive, is a well-balanced system. System which takes care of even the most of the criticism. बस अब ये तो कहने नहीं ये बेस्ट है, कोई ये अभी जो चल रहा है काफी हद तक ठीक है, कोई भी सिस्टम बेस्ट नहीं कहा जा सकता, लेकिन ये इसलिए अच्छा है क्योंकि इट इज कवरिंग वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स. कंसल्टेशन भी है, प्लूरलिटी भी है, ठीक है, सिंगल पर्सन विश इज नॉट बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड, और टसल बिटवीन एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड जुडिशरी इज ऑल्सो रिजॉल्व टू ए लार्ज एक्सटेंट. So this covers all the aspects of criticism. Criticism तो रहेगा क्योंकि कोई सिस्टम बेस्ट है ही नहीं, ठीक. तो इसका स्ट्रक्चर समझ आ गया.